Hello students, I'm your teacher Chang. Thrilled to be your math teacher this year. Throughout our time together, we'll delve into this fascinating world of numbers, equations, and problem solving. Together, we'll unlock the mystery of math and discover its relevance in our everyday daily life. Get ready for engaging and rewarding journey as we explore the wonder of mathematics together.
So, for today's lesson, we will be discussing about the lesson 14, more problems involving real numbers. I assigned to help you learn and understand each of the lessons in Mathematics 7 more. So, for example, there are 8 packs of fruit juice in a box. How many boxes needed if 40 people are attending the meeting with each receiving 6 packs of fruit juice? Solution. Step 1. Given 8 packs of fruit juice in a box. They also have a 40 people and each will be receiving 6 packs. And we will about to find the numbers. Step 2 will be derive an expression based from the given that we have a moment ago. So, our expression will be able quantity of 40 times 6 divided by 8. For our last step, we'll now solve the problem. Remember, we is equal to 240. So, we have 40 times 6 is equal to 240. Also, each box contains 8 packs of fruit juice. So, also each box contains 8 packs of fruit juice. So, we will divide 240 by 8, which will lead us to 30 boxes of fruit juice. Other example, 4 years ago, Mark's age was half of the age he will be in 10 years. How old is he now? Here's the solution. Step 1. We will use a table to represent our given. First, we have Mark age 4 years ago, which will be represented by m minus 4. Next, Mark's age and 10 years will be in a plus 10. Lastly, half of the age he will be in 10 years will be represented by 1/2 times the quantity of m plus 10. Our unknown quantity now is Mark represent age, which will be represented by small letter Step m. 2. We will now derive an equation based from the quantities we established in our table. We have m minus 4, which is Mark's age 4 years ago, is equal to 1/2 times the quantity of m plus 10, which is half of his age. He will be in 10 years. Let us now solve our equation in m minus 4 is equal to 1/2 times the quantity of m plus 10. We will perform cross multiplication here so that is 2 times the quantity of m minus 4 is equal to 1 times the quantity of m plus 10. Next, we will apply the distribute property in 2 times the quantity of m minus 4, so that will be the 2m minus 2 times 4 on 1 times the quantity of m plus 10. We will just apply the multiplicative identity property, which state that any number multiplied by 1 gives the same result as the number itself. He now have 2m minus 8 is equal to m plus the applying addition property of equality, or a we have 2m minus m is equal to 10 plus 8. With that, we now have the value of m, which is 18, and that will represent Mark's age now.